Ever thought camping gear could be futuristic? Think again. From coolers that charge your devices to lights that go hands-free, these 15 game-changing camping gadgets will make you rethink your outdoor adventures. Ready to level up your gear and experience the great outdoors in a whole new way? Let's dive into the coolest camping tools you didn't even know existed. Anker EverFrost Cooler. The Anker EverFrost Cooler is a game-changer for campers who want to keep their food and drinks cold without relying on ice. This cooler features a 299 watt-hours battery pack, a solar panel, and app control, so you can adjust the temperature wherever you are. It can chill its contents from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 34 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 minutes, perfect for longer outdoor trips. Its suitcase-style handles and 6-inch wheels make it easy to carry over any terrain. You can even use the battery to charge your devices via USB-A and USB-C ports. Plus, its top doubles as a mini table, adding extra convenience for outdoor meals and snacks. Encamp 5-piece kitchen to go. For those who love cooking while camping, the Encamp 5-piece kitchen to go is the ultimate portable cooking kit. It includes a wood-burning stove that's compact and versatile, plus a gas adapter for added convenience. This set also comes with a prep surface for chopping or preparing meals, a carry case for easy transport, and a coffee maker that brews rich, espresso-style coffee. Whether you're preparing a full meal or just brewing a morning cup of coffee, this kitchen set ensures you have everything you need. It's lightweight, durable, and designed to make your cooking experience seamless while outdoors. LifeStraw Gravity Filter System. The LifeStraw Gravity Filter System takes water filtration to the next level. It uses a 2-micron filter to remove 99.999% of E. coli, parasites, and microplastics from water, making it safe to drink. This system can purify up to 30 liters of water per hour without any pumping. So you just fill the 8L bag, hang it, and let gravity do the work. It's incredibly convenient for camping, hiking, or emergencies when you don't have access to clean water. Plus, it's BPA-free, eco-friendly, and can filter up to 500 gallons of water before needing a replacement. Alva Hands-Free Flashlight. The Alva Hands-Free Flashlight is perfect for anyone who needs light on the go without holding a flashlight. This wearable light features silicone straps that comfortably fit around your head, making it ideal for hiking, running, or cycling. Despite its compact size and lightweight design, weighing less than 2 ounces, it offers 3 hours of light on a single charge. The rear-facing LEDs make it visible from a distance, helping you stay safe in low-light conditions. It also comes with accessories like a keyring and GoPro mount, giving you added flexibility for different outdoor activities. Forest Tool Survival Kit. The Forest Tool Survival Kit is a complete set of tools that could be a lifesaver in the wild. It includes an axe, shovel, pick, mattock, rake, and a combination of McLeod. Each tool head is interchangeable and securely locks onto a 34-inch polyglass handle using steel pins, whether you need to chop wood, clear a path, or dig a shelter. This durable set is designed to help you with almost any outdoor task. The tools come in a tough Cordura nylon case, ensuring they stay organized and ready to go. This kit is a must-have for any survivalist or outdoor adventurer. EcoFlowWave Portable Air Conditioner. The EcoFlowWave Portable Air Conditioner is perfect. For those who want to stay cool while camping or RVing, it can cool up to 64 square feet in just 8 minutes, making it ideal for tents, small rooms, or cars. It runs for up to 12 hours, depending on your settings, and can be powered by solar panels, wall plugs, or even your car outlet. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to move around. Best of all, it doesn't produce drips or condensation, so your floors stay dry. If you're tired of sweating it out in the heat, this is the perfect solution for comfort in the great outdoors. Muzen Wild Mini Bluetooth Speaker. If you're someone who loves music during your outdoor adventures, the Muzen Wild Mini Bluetooth speaker is a must-have. This tiny yet powerful speaker is waterproof, rugged, and has 5-watt digital amplification for clear sound. It offers up to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge and connects via Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable connection. The speaker also features a multi-mode flashlight for extra convenience while camping. The compact size and carabiner clip make it easy to attach to your bag, so you can take it anywhere for a high-quality listening experience. Outdoors. Slide King 2K Flashlight. The Slide King 2K Flashlight is a powerful and versatile light that adapts to your needs. It delivers 2,000 lumens of bright light and can be transformed into a work light, making it perfect for a variety of outdoor tasks. The magnetic base allows hands-free use, so you can focus on what you're doing while the light stays in place. It has 4 light modes and a twist zoom to switch between floodlight and spotlight, giving you flexibility depending on your situation. With its waterproof design and aircraft-grade aluminum body, this flashlight is durable and ready for any challenge. InReach Messenger Box. The InReach Messenger Box is the ultimate gadget for outdoor adventurers who still want to stay connected. This 4-ounce device allows you to send two-way texts, SOS alerts, and share your location even when you're far from Wi-Fi or cellular service. It connects to your GPS or smartphone via Iridium satellite, ensuring you can always reach help in an emergency. It also doubles as a backup power source to recharge your devices, making it a must-have for solo adventurers. With the built-in SOS button, you can call for help when you're miles from civilization, providing peace of mind. Opal No. 12 Folding Knife. The Opal No. 12 Folding Knife is a practical and versatile tool for any outdoor enthusiast. It features a 4-inch blade that's perfect for piercing, slicing, and cutting through rope or game. What sets it apart is its built-in tick remover tool, making it perfect for those with pets or outdoor animals. It also has a 110 decibels whistle, a lanyard hole, and a steel cutting hook, all packed into a compact, lightweight design. At just 4 ounces, this knife is easy to carry and store, and it folds to fit in your pocket, making it a must-have for any camping or hiking trip. Evergreen 56 Backpack. The Evergreen 56 backpack is built to withstand anything the outdoors throws at you, waterproof and dustproof, making it perfect for rugged environments. The shock-absorbing rubber boot helps protect your gear from bumps and drops, and the twist lock feature ensures your items are secure. Despite its tough build, this backpack is lightweight at just 0.52 pounds. It's small enough to fit in any bag but still has plenty of space to store essentials like ammo, smartphones, or a first aid kit. This backpack is perfect for any adventure, offering durability, security, and peace of mind. Helix Calf Chair and Table. The Helix Calf Chair and Table is a lightweight and portable solution for outdoor dining. The chairs are compact, yet strong, enough to hold up to 320 pounds, and the table can support up to 110 pounds. This set is perfect for camping trips, picnics, or hiking breaks. The chairs are easy to fold down and fit in a 24-inch bag, while the table is just as compact and fits into a carrier that's 25.5 inches wide. These durable, easy-to-carry pieces let you enjoy meals outdoors in comfort and style without the added weight and hassle of traditional camping furniture. LifeStraw Flex with Gravity Bag. The LifeStraw Flex with Gravity Bag is a reliable solution for clean drinking water when you're in the wild. This portable filter system allows you to filter water from any natural source, turning it into safe, drinkable water. The Gravity Bag holds up to 5 liters of water and uses high-performance filtration, including a 2-micron filter that removes harmful bacteria and viruses. This setup is perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies, as it doesn't require any pumping, and you can filter water hands-free while you go about your activities. It's a must-have for anyone serious about staying hydrated and healthy in the great outdoors. ZOKU Hot and Cold Tumbler. The Zoku Hot and Cold Tumbler is a perfect companion for your outdoor adventures, keeping your beverages at the right temperature for hours. Whether you're looking to keep your coffee hot or your water cold, this tumbler has you covered. The double-walled design ensures that your drinks stay at the desired temperature longer, and it's spill-resistant, so you don't have to worry about leaks. It's also lightweight, easy to carry, and fits most cup holders, making it ideal for hiking, road trips, or daily use. If you love your drinks at just the right temperature, this tumbler is a game-changer. Fenix PD36R Flashlight. The Fenix PD36R flashlight is built for those who need powerful, reliable light in outdoor situations, with a maximum output of 1,600 lumens. This flashlight can light up a wide area for hours, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies. It's waterproof and impact-resistant, meaning it can handle any tough conditions you throw at it. The USB-C rechargeable battery offers convenience, and the compact size ensures it's easy to carry. Whether you're navigating a dark trail or need light for a campsite, the Fenix PD36R is a dependable high-performance tool that won't let you down. Which one are you adding to your gear list? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest camping, tech, and tips. Until next time, happy camping and stay adventurous.